Okay.
You're not gonna
Stupid kitty.
She's on me.
Too far.
Not too far.
Throw it over the couch.
Let me say something. Okay.
Meow.
That's okay. Stuff on.
Give her a second.
Sometimes she wasn't caught in the couch just.
Oh.
She found it. There she comes.
Yay!
Meow.
Fetching kitty.
She runs so fast she gets tired. Good kitty.
I think she's good.
Yeah, she's done.
Oh, wait.
No, she wants another one.
She won't bring it back.
Yeah, she is.
Slowly. Is she?
Oh, she dropped it way back there.
She's getting tired.
She's done.
You shouldn't run so fast. No, good kitty. You want it again? Yay! You went too far. You got too far.
She wants to go some other way. You go that way.
I'm tired of going that way.
She slides too much.
Did she lose it?
No, she got it. Yay! Good kitty. We'll do it behind the couch one time. Good kitty. She's expecting it to be that way. Okay.
Ah!
Funny, isn't she? I think she lost it.
Hold on.
She'll find it. It's like a bloodhound or something. I don't know. Bloodhound dog.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, she lost it.
Did she lose it?
Probably lost it on the couch.
It probably went on the bug.
If you remember, sometimes she'll crawl under the couch to see if she can find it.
She's still looking for it. She really come over here and fucking have her search for it. Look at this. No. Yeah, she's still looking for it.
What's she doing?
Get him
She's
mad.
falling off the box.
I see her tail.
She's looking at me now. She's like, fuck it, I'm done.
She's
Couldn't
done.
find it.
You should have, like, put it over there in a...
Yeah, she's done. She's like, I'm done. I don't care.